Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. So today's video I'm going to talk about how to smell good and throughout the day with using minimal cost effective product. You don't have to go for a Gucci or you don't have to go for anything which is over the way and on top of your budget. Yes, if that's what you want, you definitely can. But this girl here is all for alternative hacks for a better lifestyle. Okay, so if you're interested in the video, continue watching, and before that, you know the drill: like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get into the you all acknowledge the need to smell good throughout the day. It kinds of add to your persona, right? Now imagine you are traveling by a public vehicle, say a bus, and you see two passengers, one smelling extremely good and one smelling awful or not smelling something. Let's consider a neutral situation. You don't know the person who is smelling good, but there is this psychological thing happening inside you, and you automatically get drifted and give a glance at that person, right? So yeah, smelling good is a part of personal grooming, also hygiene. Okay, so here I am to tell you the hacks which would help you to smell good throughout the day, no matter how much sweat you may accumulate or how much busy your day was. Your perfume would be invigorating and everybody is gonna love it. So there are few products that you need to invest on to get such feeling, and you yourself will also feel amazing throughout the day. Okay, number 1, get into the shower and use a body wash which smells really amazing. Okay, if you're not a kind of person who is fragrance sensitive, you can go for the ones which has like strong fruity senses. Anyways, I kind of prefer fruity floral scents for summer, and woody musky scents for like night time. Okay, so I have a few recommendations for you. So you can go for the Bath and the Body Works, the aromatherapy, or patchouli, or warm vanilla and sugar. I love all of them. Apart from that, you can go for Body Shop shea butter and Body Shop moringa, pina colada, and all these things from Body Shop. You can try your range, and accordingly the one that suits you or the fragrance that you love the most, you can go for it. Other than that, there are Nivea also quite makes products. Lux, they make products or body washes which smells very good. Okay, so that is the first step, guys. You have to get in the shower and get in the habit of using a body wash which has a good smell. And if you ask me, my favorite, it's the warm vanilla from the Bath and Body Shop, and Bath and Body Works, and that's what I love it. Also, there is this body wash from Face Shop. I like the packaging and the stuff. It also smells very nice, so you can try from all these brands, and yes, then decide for your own self. Okay, so number 1, the important step is get in the shower and lather and foam some good body wash into a loofah and take a bath. Invest some time in taking a good bath. Number 2, try to treat the root cause of body odor. The root cause of body odor is production of excessive sweat. Well, while the fact that your sweat cannot be controlled much and it's not under your control is what I understand, at the same time there are numerous products that can help you in reducing the amount of sweat you produce. One of the amazing products and budget friendly product I have been using for years is from the house of Nivea. That is their deodorant whitening sensitive, and also the new launch is their Deo Milk. I hope the camera is focusing. Honestly, if I have to choose between these two, I will definitely go for the white sensitive. I love this. It has got the matte texture. The elixir, on the other hand, doesn't have the matte texture. So yeah, once you come out of the shower, make sure to roll it under your arms, because that is the area where maximum amount of sweat is generated, be it especially on hot summer days. So these will keep your sweat at bay and help you in, in the root cause, or tackling the number. Next thing that you need to do for smelling good for a long duration is to use a good moisturizer. Okay, so I have few recommendations for you, and I have a certain combination also for you. So when it comes to moisturizing my body, I love to take care of my skin. I think that's the minimal thing we can do for our own body. So I am a ardent fan, and I have been this fan since my childhood of Nivea body lotions. Okay, especially Coco Nourish in like particular has been my favorite when it comes to moisturizing. This thing not only smells amazing, but it actually does its job of moisturizing really, really, really well. Okay, so this is the one I go after I come out from my shower for moisturizing my body. But that's not the end of it. This provides the nourishment and moisturization, and some it adds a moisture, like not only moisture, some fragrance to my skin. Okay, but that's like not long lasting. So to top it off, I use Yardley London uh, English Rose moisturizing body lotion. Okay, now I this is a decent moisturizer, and I don't really like. I'm not a big fan of the moisturizing capability, but what I'm a big fan of this is the smell. Okay, it just smells amazing, guys. It's like it just smells like the roses, and yes, but a disclaimer: the smell is overpowering. Okay, so if you are fragrance sensitive, guys, kindly stay out of this moisturizer, because the smell is over empowering. Okay, it just gets onto your nerves. Sometimes when I ordered it for the first time, it did get onto my nerve, but anyways, then I'm totally accustomed with it, and I love the fragrance, and this pretty much long lasting. When combined together, when you combine these two together, it just makes the fragrance last really, really long, and the fragrance doesn't even feel cheap or something like that. It'll just smell like roses the whole day, and I love the combination. Okay, and the very last thing that I would recommend you to use is this thing, this too. This is a Layer Water Girl Vanilla Paste fragrance mist, and this one is Assured Aura lasting fragrance. You can use anything of your choice. I also use the Body Shop one, the strawberry one. Any form of mist or spray you can use. And how I use it is I take it and I spray it on my pulse points. Okay, like the wrist, the neck, sometimes over my clothes. And yeah, I even carry one in my purse in case, in my bag, in case I need it. But honestly, after doing all the steps like the way I mentioned, you wouldn't require much touch up. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's the simple trick to smell good. And all these products, if I combine, your approximate budget would be around 1,000 to get all these products, and you can keep on smelling good. Okay, so guys, do try out this hack. This YouTube is a community wherein you get to learn a lot of things. So this is something I have learned from my experience as a child, or now I'm 27. Till now I have learned so much. So I have created this platform to share whatever I have learned with you guys. And I would really, really wish you, want you guys to try out these hacks which are under 1,000 and see it for yourself. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who you think is in need of such videos, and subscribe to my channel because subscription is free. And I would appreciate if you are liking my content, please subscribe to my channel because that means a lot and it's free. And until next time, I'll see you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.